It's a beautiful day, and here two friends are catching big fish. Oh, okay, that seems quite a nice red fish. They're working hard to get it. Almost. Here we go. Wow, okay, it's really nice.
Yeah, it's heavy.
Here we go. Good job, guys. This probably, I would say, 34-inch. Good job. Today is really a good day. Another big fish. Let's see, where is the fish? Somewhere there. Oh, here we go. Yeah, here. This one probably, I would say 25, probably 25-inch. Here we go. Excellent job. Very beautiful sunset. I got a fish? Okay, I'll be there.